How to replace Beats Solo Pro earpads, brought to you by Central Sound. Buy a pair at centralsound.co. Here we have a Beats Solo Pro headphone set. As you can see, the earpads are ripped up. We're going to get that replaced. Here we have a heat gun. This will need to be used to loosen up the adhesive holding the earpad on. It is a very, very strong adhesive. That's why it's important to apply heat. You can use a hair dryer. It may take a while longer. Here we have a heat gun. I suggest using a heat gun if you can. Here we have a spudger tool, which is included in the pair of earpads if you buy from us. It is absolutely important to use one of these when replacing these earpads. The adhesive is very strong and the earpads need to be loosened up. Gently insert the flat side into the crevice between the ear cup and the earpad. You want to pry upwards to loosen the earpad adhesive. There is some very strong adhesive holding these earpads on, so it does take a while. I suggest reapplying heat once or twice and then continue to loosen the earpad. Once the earpad feels loosened, use the opposite side of the tool, which is the pointed end. Gently insert the inside part of the earpad ring. And pry upwards. It may take some force, and it will take a few attempts. Some very strong adhesive holding these earpads on. Once you see the earpad coming up and loose, you can use your hands to pull it away from the ear cup. As you can see, there's a fair amount of adhesive, and it is super strong. You will want to heat up the adhesive so you can scrape it off easier. Here we have a genuine pair of replacement ear pads. You can pick up a pair at centralsound.co. It includes the adhesive already attached. Peel the adhesive plastic backing apart. Once that is removed, you want to make sure you line up the ear pad properly. There's a crease right there that should be on the bottom, towards the button or charger port area. As you can see, it's lined up with the button right in the middle. It'll be like that on both sides. Press firmly down. And that's it, folks. That's how you install the Beat Solo Pro earpads. You can pick up a pair at centralsound.co. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.